Hello guys, this is How to Socials and today I'm going to show you how you can leave a Discord server on Discord. Now this is really simple, so let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So once you're on Discord on the main page like I'm right here, what you need to do is just head over to the server that you want to leave, click on it. Now we are going to right click, and as you can see we get a bunch of options. Mark as read, invite people. Now in your case it might be mute, but I already muted the server, so it's unmute server. Hide muted channels, notification setting, privacy setting, and the most important, which is the last one, is leave server. Now in order to leave the server, you're just going to want to click on leave server. This is going to ask you if you are sure, because in order to rejoin the server you have to get a new invite. You can't just join it back. So we are going to just click on leave server, and that should be all there is to it. Now as you can see, the server no longer appears on my screen. I already left it, and that's all there is to it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one, guys.